Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in the commercial diesel parts. Today I will show you one of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside packages, blue VCI anti-rust bag. And here this is the brand logo. Here and with our Shumatt brand logo, and the product code is F00RJ00399. For the logo, label, packages, etc. And we can support customized service. Then I will show you the inside. Inside transfer bottles can be better avoid some damages during the translation, and in the inside of it, 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we Shumatt supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange. So, quality guaranteed, good after sales service. For this valve assembly, and on the valve cavity with coating figures, this is the valve rod. Clean this kind of valve assembly. Clean with oil, don't clean with the water. Okay, so much for this one. At last, if you want to know more details, please feel free to contact us. And thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.